The P0010 code means the ECM has detected a problem with the intake camshaft position actuator circuit on bank 1. In simple terms, the computer is trying to adjust cam timing, but the electrical signal to control the actuator isn't working right. In a V-type engine, like a V6 or V8, bank 1 is the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located. For inline engines like 4-cylinder engines, the whole engine is considered a bank 1 because there's only one row of cylinders. The first cause could be a faulty VVT solenoid, also called an oil control valve. If the internal electrical part of the solenoid fails, the ECM won't be able to command the camshaft timing properly. The second cause could be damaged wiring or a poor connection going to the VVT solenoid. Corroded connectors, broken wires, or loose pins can stop the actuator from getting a signal. The third cause could be dirty or low engine oil. VVT systems rely on clean, pressurized oil to move the camshaft. If the oil is old, low, or full of sludge, it can prevent the solenoid and actuator from working properly, even if the electrical circuit is fine. The fourth cause could be a blown fuse or relay that powers the VVT system. If the solenoid isn't getting voltage, it won't function at all, even if the part itself is good. The last possible cause is a bad ECM or internal driver fault. This is rare, but if the ECM can't send the proper signal to the solenoid, it will set the P0010 code. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.